Y'all better get your cooking pans, cut up this squash, and we're gonna make us some squash casserole. Get that bacon grease, about 5 tablespoons. There it is, all chopped up in the pan. Here's the seasoning I use: beef bouillon, garlic salt. Slap your mama. Put that in there. Measure it with your heart. Measure it with your heart. Now look at it. It's cooking down. It's been cooking for about 5-10 minutes. You want to cook it hard too if you like yours brown, because I like mine brown. Then you're going to take two sleeves of Ritz crackers. You're going to crush them up. Then, oh, there it is. It's brown, y'all. It's getting brown. It's cooked down. You're going to put it in a pan on the side, and then you're going to melt down some butter. Melt this butter down. You're going to pour in your 2 sleeves of crackers. Ritz crackers, that is. And you are going to brown them till they are brown, brown, brown. My God, look at that. What's next? Oh, we got some cheese. We got some sour cream, some bacon, some Parmesan, and some mozzarella sticks. That's what I had. Is it pretty? No. But I used about a cup of that sour cream. Here's the brands I used. Yep, that dollop. Now you're going to mix all of it together until it is mixed evenly throughout the pan. Yes, I used a cake pan. I don't have a casserole dish. Sprinkle it with cheese after you have mixed it well. Then you're going to take that bezo and you're going to slip it in the oven at 400 degrees. 400 degrees for 10 minutes. And you're going to take it out. This is where you're going to add your crackers again. I keep wanting to say graham crackers, but your Ritz crackers that have been buttered. Look at that. Oh my goodness. You're going to put it back in the oven for like 10 minutes at 350. Now look at that. It is done, y'all. Look at it. Oh my God. It's a slice of heaven on my plate. And boy, it felt like the angels was dancing in my mouth. Delicious. I hope you guys enjoy, and I hope you try it. Have a wonderful day.